In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create PowerPoint presentations with Chatgpt in just 5 minutes. This quick and efficient method will help you generate professional-looking presentations with minimal effort, perfect for when you're pressed for time. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open up your preferred web browser, the one you use most comfortably because this will make the process feel more seamless. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or whichever one is set as your default. Simply click on the icon to get started. Next, we'll navigate to Chatgpt. This groundbreaking AI tool is ideal for generating a wealth of content, including PowerPoint presentations. So enter the Chatgpt URL in your browser's address bar and hit enter. You should now be on the Chatgpt homepage, ready to start crafting your presentation. Look for and click on the New Chat option. This step is crucial as it sets up a fresh workspace for you to begin your project. By choosing New Chat, you're ensuring that the AI is ready to receive your specific instructions without any leftover context from prior interactions that might affect the output. Now, you'll want to think about your presentation's content. What topic are you covering? As soon as you have a general idea, type your prompt into the chat box. Make sure your prompt clearly states that you're looking to create a PowerPoint presentation. You might specify the topic, the number of slides, and any particular points you wish to include. Remember, the more specific and detailed you are, the more targeted and useful your results will be. Once you've crafted your prompt and hit enter here, Chatgpt will work its magic, generating your content. Now here's where the real magic happens. It will produce a draft of your presentation. This is an excellent base to work from, and you can refine it further if needed. Be patient as the AI compiles this information. It's an incredible process to witness, seeing your ideas come alive in this way. Finally, generate the output as a PowerPoint file. Depending on your Chatgpt capabilities, you may need to transfer the content manually into PowerPoint slides, or if you have the functionality, save or export directly into a presentation file. When copying the content into PowerPoint, take the time to format it neatly and decide on themes that will enhance your presentation's appeal. Remember to add visuals if necessary, as they can significantly boost engagement and retention for your audience. And there you go. That's the simple yet effective way to harness the power of AI for creating your PowerPoint presentations. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it empowers you to develop your presentations quickly and efficiently with just a few clicks. Happy presenting!